This is You Can Change Vegan. Hello, today we're making these crispy polenta chips. Start by adding some vegan stock to a pot. Use whatever flavour you like. I'm using some vegan chicken flavoured stock. Heat the stock over high heat until it boils. We now pour the polenta in while whisking constantly. Now stir until the mixture thickens and the polenta has soaked up all the vegan stock. It will take around 1 to 2 minutes. Once the polenta is nice and thick like this, turn the heat off and pour it into a container. Smooth the top of the polenta and then we allow it to cool for 30 minutes before loosely sitting a lid on and then refrigerating for a couple of hours or until cold. Once cool, turn out onto a chopping board. Now we slice the polenta and then cut them into chips. Now that all the polenta chips are cut, we're going to put them in the air fryer, or you could bake them in the oven at 200 degrees Celsius or 390 Fahrenheit for around 30 minutes. 2 tips to make your polenta chips crispy is to cook them in batches, and you can also spray them with a little bit of oil if you want. While the polenta chips are cooking, we're going to make our herb salt. Take some rosemary, slide down the stalks to remove the leaves, finely chop, stir it through some salt, and then that's done. Once crispy, serve in a bowl and sprinkle with some of that rosemary salt. Now enjoy. Thank you for watching, and thanks to all of the people who have subscribed. More of my vegan recipe videos are linked here for you.